So I've got a digital scale over here, and I'm going to turn this so that you guys can see it. I always press the on button, and then I also have to press 0 to make sure that I'm zeroing out the scale so that the weight is accurate. So I can see right now, oh, and actually right now I'm on ounces. Normally when I do this, I'm going to just press, I'm going to actually change it to grams. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press 0 again. And I'm going to weigh this rubber stopper in grams. So I can see I have 128 grams of rubber stopper here that I need to keep an accurate count of. So I have to go write that down either in my sketchbook or on something that I'm going to be able to keep track of a calculation for my casting piece.